Do you feel the same way? Sometimes I think people only pay attention to songs and artists whose music is pretty annoying. And then this German song entry for the ESC came along called Ballala. I thought this is really quite annoying. And on the other hand, it inspired me to try something like that too. So, here is how I made my rather annoying sound. I extracted the word joy from this vocal snippet.
No quick fade away, joy, joy, joy.
From my song Fast Boy, sung by Dora B, and I shortened it a little bit. I chopped the sound and put it into my sampler, and it sounds like this. Now I can play around with it. Pretty annoying, but fun on the other hand too. Do you like it? Leave a comment.